Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Trans AM kit is probably one of the most iconic and challenging model car kits to build, offering a rewarding experience for both beginners and experienced modelers alike. This detailed review will cover everything from the kit's quality and accuracy to the assembly process, painting techniques, and final detailing, helping you decide if this is the right kit for your next project and providing tips and tricks along the way to ensure a successful build. Number 5. Smokey Bandit Firebird Diecast. Get ready to relive the iconic chase. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of movie history, ready to roll into your collection. It's officially licensed, guaranteeing authenticity. You're getting a true-to-life replica, right down to the details. Check out the incredible detail. It features opening doors, hood, and trunk, just like the real thing. The attention to detail continues under the hood and in the interior. You'll be amazed by the realistic engine and chassis. It's built to last. This is a heavy die-cast metal body with highly detailed wheels, ensuring years of enjoyment. Bring the excitement of the movie home. This collectible is perfect for fans of all ages. It also comes with a themed belt buckle. This is more than just a model car, it's a complete movie experience. What we like. It's officially licensed and has amazing details, bringing the movie to life. If you are looking for a high-quality, ready-to-display model with authentic movie features, this is the one for you. It's perfect for collectors and fans who appreciate intricate details and a nostalgic touch. What people say. Good quality, great paint specs, and a decent size for shelf display. Looks really nice, looks just like the car I used to own. Detail is nice. Number 4. Revell 77 Bandit Firebird Kit. This isn't just a model, it's a piece of movie history. It's the iconic Firebird from Smokey and the Bandit, ready for you to build. With 89 plastic pieces, this kit offers hours of engaging assembly. Get ready for a challenging and rewarding experience. This meticulously detailed model is built to a 1/25 scale, capturing the essence of the original car. It's a true representation of a classic. Add the finishing touches with the included waterslide decals. They'll make it look just like the real thing. It's a project for experienced model builders. Plan for at least 5 hours of focused building time. This is a kit for ages 12 and up. Recreate the magic of Smokey and the Bandit. Order your kit today and start building. What we like. This model kit offers a challenging and rewarding build experience. If you enjoy assembling intricate models and have some experience, this is perfect for you. It's a great way to create a unique piece for your collection and show off your skills. What people say. This was so much fun to put together. It was only my second one, but it was way better than the AMT I built the week prior to this one. I didn't realize the other one was not nice until I got this Revell model. The instructions are better, the sprues are better, and it just looks better when finished. Model is very nice, everything fit together perfectly, clear instructions, very nice details, heck it even came with a cowboy hat, lol. The most accurate and easy to build model car, even with all of the stickers. I expected to have a hard time with the Firebird sticker, but it went on easily. Number 3. CPM MPC862 Firebird. This detailed model kit lets you build your own classic Pontiac Firebird. It's a great project for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. It features incredibly accurate details, capturing the essence of the iconic 1979 Firebird. You'll be amazed by its realism. The doors and hood open, adding to the model's authenticity and playability. It's a true collector's item. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this kit offers a rewarding building experience. It's perfect for honing your skills. Celebrate the 10th anniversary of this iconic car with this meticulously crafted model. It's a must-have for any collector. Some assembly is required. You will need to supply your own paints and cement to complete the model. Detailed instructions are included. This is a large-scale model, providing ample detail and a satisfying build. It's impressive to display once complete. What we like. It boasts a large scale and impressive detail. If you want a big, impressive model with lots of authentic features, this is the kit for you. The large scale allows for greater detail and a more satisfying build. What people say. Most important with a model is of course that the pieces fit together well. These do. Nice model. Love the large scale. All parts intact and ready to paint and assemble. The Firebird hood decal comes in 3 different colors, so it gives the modeler a wide choice as far as paint jobs. The pieces are all there and the decals are well made with 3 different color options. Everything is shaped properly like a real Trans Am, which I own and am currently restoring to look like my model. The plastic is thick and sturdy, allowing for lots of filing, sanding, etc. The doors connect easily and work surprisingly well. Number 2. MPC 1977 Pontiac Firebird T kit. Let's get started with this awesome MPC 1977 Pontiac Firebird T model kit. It's a 1/25 scale model, perfect for any skill level 2 model builder. Everything you need to build this classic car is included in the box. Notice the pre-lettered Goodyear GT radial tires. These add a touch of realism, saving you time and effort. They're already perfectly detailed, so you can focus on the assembly. This kit gives you 3 different hood and color stripe options. You can customize it to match your favorite Firebird. Choose the look that best suits your style. It's molded in a beautiful pearl blue. The color is vibrant and eye-catching, and it's a classic Firebird color. This is going to look fantastic once it's built. Check out the T-top roof and opening hood. It has rolling wheels too, adding to the realistic look. These features really bring this model to life. With paint and cement, you'll be able to build this iconic muscle car. Let's get started and bring this classic to life. What we like. It offers customization options and cool details. If you like to personalize your models and appreciate unique features, this is a great choice. The multiple color options and pre-lettered tires make it stand out. What people say. Excellent kit with lots of detail. Slight bit of flash on some parts, but that was easy to remove. It came in the color blue, so I don't have to paint and easy to work with. Number 1. Revell RV07710 Pontiac Firebird. Get ready to experience the thrill of building this iconic muscle car. It's an incredibly detailed model, perfect for enthusiasts of all skill levels. This kit gives you the freedom to customize it to your liking. Choose your own colors and create a truly unique masterpiece. At over 50 centimeters long, it's a huge model that will command attention. Prepare to be amazed by its impressive size and detail. It features a realistic engine simulation, allowing you to explore the inner workings of this legendary car. You'll be able to see all the intricate parts. The bonnet opens, giving you access to the detailed engine. This adds to the realism and allows for even more detailed examination. With this kit, you're not just building a model, you're creating a piece of automotive history. Enjoy the process and the final result. What we like. This is the largest model in the comparison, offering incredible detail and size. If you are looking for a truly impressive and massive model, this is the ultimate choice. Its sheer size and level of detail are unmatched. What people say. Detail is all there. Revell manufactured a nice kit with this one. Fit, finish, part count, and instructions are worthy of a good rating. Wow, I am overwhelmed by the size. After the first examination, very good processing of the blanks. I am very much looking forward to the assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.